In this short video, I'll show you how to set a background in Excel so you can run reports for client presentations. Firstly, go to the Insert tab right here next to Home. Now right here is the shapes. Go ahead and press that one and choose a rectangular one. Now go ahead and shape out the background that you want. That's this. Next, press on the shape, press right click, and go to Format Shapes at the bottom. Now in the Fill option, go ahead and check Picture or Texture Fill. This will pop up. Now press Insert from a file and choose the logo that you want. I already have an example, so I'll choose this one. And there we go. You can adjust its transparency right here. That's pretty much it. Oh, and also you can remove the border lines right here if you want to make it more seamless, like that. There we go. Now you know how to set a background in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.